Now we will discuss about Johnson VFD error handling and troubleshooting training. Like we will explain how we can resolve error in the Johnson VFD if you are facing any. Here is one error code FN. It means fan alarm. This happens when fan is not working of the VFD. So you need to check inside of the VFD that fan is working properly, and if it is not working, then you need to check and remove the fan and check where fan is connecting and power on the VFD. So you can check with the multimeter. There is 24 volt DC, either 230 volt AC. You have to check if voltage is coming, it means your fan is faulty, so you can replace the fan. And other for the temporary purpose, what you can do, you can use one external fan at this place. If you will use external fan at that time, this alarm will be resolved. Okay. And normally it's occurs when temperature is higher than the limits, and it happens because of the fan. So normally it's occurs that, and sometimes in the some of the VFDs we have the proper feedback of the fan. If fan is faulty, then VFD will get one alarm of the fan. So in that case, you need to repair the VFD. And if there is not that feedback, in that case you just have to maintain the temperature. And if you are not in immediate situation for repair the fan, so you can use one external fan, and which will give proper cooling to the VFD. By this we can resolve this alarm.